The Honeywell True HEPA Air Purifier Allergen Plus series is perfect for use in rooms up to 155 square feet. The HEPA filtration of this unit helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. The A+ Genuine Pre-Filter is the first level of filtration and helps to capture larger particles while reducing odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel featuring 3 air cleaning levels to choose from, an automatic shutoff 2, 4, and 8-hour timer, dimmer options for the control panel lights, and filter change indicator lights with reset buttons. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 155 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.